feeling a little down. Maybe you need a hug.
Yeah, maybe I do. Maybe I do need a hug.
Here, have a virtual hug.
Thank you. I feel so warm inside.
I'm glad to hear you're feeling better. That's just the magic of a hug.
Although I kind of feel like I need to sneeze.
You better not sneeze on me, I swear to God.
I can't control it. I can't control it. I'm sorry. Oh, it went away. Oh!
Nice. Just sneezes all over me instead. How nice.
I didn't sneeze!
Numi spit. Like you're some sort of sneezes magnet. Let's get back to gaslighting.
Hello? What do you mean?
You need to learn to feel more love, Numi. Then maybe you can sneeze some away instead.
Well, I don't know how to feel love. I have a problem with being vulnerable around people.
Maybe you just need to open up a little more. I promise it's not as scary as it seems.
Well, what can I do?
You should give it a try.